What are some of the lessons you learned as a seasoned executive in terms of leadership tactics, leadership principles, perspective on the business that you didn't have when you were early in your career?
Well, once you're fortunate enough to be invited into the boardroom,
There you go.
everything changes, and it's all about the big picture. It's all about the big picture. And what I found, the biggest thing that I learned is that, when I first started, I was scrappy. I was a hustler. I, like you said, I grew up on the East Coast. I grew up, in Newark. And, there's a certain attitude when you're going for something that you have. There's a certain fight. There's a certain hustle. There's a certain grist that you have to yourself. And that can help you really move forward and move up quickly. But what I've discovered, and this is one of the most important things that I've learned, is that what got you to the boardroom, the skills, the tactics, the spirit, the point of view that got you to the boardroom are not necessarily the things that are going to keep you there.
I need to pull up on that. No, I should have dropped it on earlier because you said a lot of other things are just on gross in the conversation, but what got you there will not necessarily sustain you.
It will not necessarily sustain you.